Take me back to Kentucky, where the muddy Ohio River flows, where the grass is blue and the troubles are few. There's friendly people everywhere you go. It's not for sale, it's for sale. Thank you, mademoiselle. It's Paris, not Paris, don't you know? I like my chicken fried with some burger on the side. Take me back to Kentucky, that's my home. I love those rolling hills of Kentucky, where thoroughbreds run wild in the wind. There's tobacco farms and folks spinning yarns. Muhammad Ali's still the champion. The finest bourbons from our stills. There's other cash crops in the fields. There's nothing like Derby Town in May. I've traveled far and wide, the buddy land say it's alive. Kentucky is my home, I'm proud to say. I love to hear that bluegrass music. Bill Monroe brought alive. And I can still hear brothers Don and Phil. Those harmonies will never die. Where the chicken's finger licking good and Merle did that finger picking good. The sun shines bright in my Kentucky sky. I love to hear that new grass music Sammy Bush brought alive. And I can still hear brothers Don and Phil. Those harmonies will never die. Where the chicken's finger licking good and Merle did that finger picking good. The sun shines bright in my Kentucky sky. So won't you take me back to Kentucky, where the muddy Ohio River flows, where the grass is blue and the troubles are few. There's friendly people everywhere you go. It's not for sale, it's for sale. Thank you, mademoiselle. It's Paris, not Paris, don't you know? I like my chicken fried with some burger on the side. Take me back to Kentucky, that's my home.
Had a lot of money in my pocket. I'd dance with every pretty girl in sight. Then I blasted off just like a rocket. I drank all the whiskey in Kentucky last night. I drank all of the whiskey on top of Heaven Hill. I drained the last drop from old granddad's till. Tight as a tick and high as a kite, I drank all the whiskey in Kentucky last night. I took my old Forester down to the club past where the wild turkey roamed, where four roses climb the walls. At Evan Williams' place, I'll give a rebel yell if I ever get back home. I drank all of the whiskey on top of Heaven Hill. I drained the last drop from old granddad's still. Tight as a tick and high as a kite, I drank all the whiskey in Kentucky last night. I still. Tight as a tick and high as a kite, I drank all the whiskey in Kentucky last night. Tight as a tick and high as a kite, I drank all the whiskey in Kentucky last night.